Hey guys, Rachel from Pampered Chef here, and it is so hot. I just finished up the last of my cold brew coffee from my pitcher, and so I'm gonna make some more. All right, so next we have our new cold brew pitcher, and I have it all disassembled to show you exactly how it is. So it's a big pitcher. It has this silicone gasket on the bottom so it doesn't slide around, but you can easily take it off if you like. And then it has a lid that just sets in place, and I'm gonna actually unscrew the little cap, and I'm gonna put in the filter. And this you can put in loose tea ground or loose tea leaves if you wanted to make your own brewed tea, or this is perfect for your coffee. And I'm gonna add a cup of grounds. You can use your favorite flavor, whatever you have on hand. If you grind it yourself, you want to use a little bit more coarse grounds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, because I like cinnamon in my coffee. And if you happen to have some cringy cinnamon on hand still, you are lucky, because that is the best. All right, so that's going to go in. And then we're going to pour in 5 cups of water over the top. And it's going to take a little bit because it's going to pour over the grounds and it's going to have to settle. And you don't want to cause the grounds to float up and go overboard. When you make cold brew, pouring cold water over the grounds makes it sweeter, less acidic, and a smoother cup of coffee. So when you go to your coffee shop and you order cold brew, that's when it's a little bit more expensive. It's different than just regular hot brew that has ice in it. So that's the difference between cold brew and iced coffee. I've added my water. I'm gonna just click the lid in place, and this is gonna go sit in the fridge overnight, and it'll be ready tomorrow for a nice cup of cold brew. So thanks for joining me, thanks for watching, and if you need your own cold brew pitcher or anything else, please feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. Stay cool this summer, and cheers.